Well, hello guys, my name is Nick, and yes, I am back with another Nick's Toy Garage restoration video. Today I will be doing this Morgan by Majorette. It's a beautiful car in that lovely green. Only the interior is quite dirty, the roof is missing, the window is yellow, but I can't really do anything about that. And all the grills are they just lost their chrome. Lovely. So let's see if it rolls. Yes, stop playing with it. Thank you very much. So let's take a closer look at this model. As I said, the dashboard and steering wheel are not the same color as the interior. I think there's a little different kind of material, so they faded different over the years. The grille is not chrome anymore, but the bottom is the lower part is still in good condition. So let's take my thingy-majig, my drill, and drill out the one rivet that holds in this model. After about 2 seconds of drilling, the bottom just releases and I can just lift out the bottom and the wheels just fall out because they're not really held in. Well, they're held in by the base plate, by the thingy, you know what I mean. So next, let's take out the interior, just pull it really hard. Make sure the spare tire doesn't break off. Then I can take out the chrome bits, so the dashboard, steering wheel, the vents on the top and the grille and the headlights are actually one piece. So that will be very nice to paint them. As you can see, they're just turned white for some reason. And after that I go to the sandblasting cabinet. Yes, my greatest investment for this channel so far, I think. Leave your comments, well, your thoughts about this sandblasting machine in the comment section down below. And also just tell me guys if you missed me, please miss me. I've been gone for 2 or 3 months. Well, long story, new job. Well, not new job. I still had to have the job for 6 months, but it's kind of a new job. I got a girlfriend and it's just really busy. I don't have time. But because I'm in lockdown right now, I have time. I suddenly have loads of time actually. So it's time to make the most videos I can. I'm going to try to make as much videos as I can, because I really want to make this channel work. I really want to put a lot of time in this YouTube channel, because I really love making these videos. I love reading the comments and I just love everything about this channel. Fun fact, the images you're watching right now, just until the primer, are filmed 3 months ago. After the primer, so I'm actually going to shoot the color, is filmed today. Awesome. So after I shoot 2 coats of the Tamiya primer, I use some flat blue to make the model blue. Well, that's pretty self-explanatory. Oh well, so 3 coats in total, leaving between 15 to 20 minutes to dry between coats. Don't forget to paint the inside. Actually at this point I still don't know how much you can see it from the inside the color, but I just love painting the inside, even if you're not supposed to see it. Oh well. So again, 3 coats like I said, leaving them to dry, and then not going to put clear coat just yet, because I still have to fill in the fine detail, the logo, the rear and front lights, the door handles and things. I'm making hand gestures and you cannot see them. I need should I do a face cam? Because a lot of people love the way I talk and do commentary, but I don't think they would love their asses off if they see me doing this right now. I just miss this so much. Oh, next part, the grille, vents and the dashboard. So first let's take a piece of tape and tape off the part I don't want to be chromed. Nobody wants a chromed dashboard, because if you drive away from the sun you get blinded. So take some home decoration spray. Some silver paint is this, and paint in all the pieces. Next, let's take my handy dandy toothbrush, because I'm not using my handy dandy screwdriver this episode. Take some hot soapy water and clean the interior. Also, do you guys notice a difference in my, well, audio? Because I still using the same mic, because this time it's on an arm, I'm not holding the microphone. And I got some pop filter to filter out my heavy breathing, I guess. That I need to hear this back, because this is going to sound really creepy. So after that's done, I take my chromish, silverish paint-ish, take my toothpick and just paint in the wheels. This is a really tedious part, I'm not going to show all 4 wheels, I'm just going to show one wheel. I just take the toothpick, fill in the wheels, and then take the side of the toothpick and rub against it so the paint is equally spread, I guess. Then put them in the sun to dry, because yes, it's actually sunny in Belgium. It's amazing. The time that we're all on lockdown, actually not supposed to go outside, it's sunny outside. Awesome. Not that I ever come outside. Next, the interior. Let's put on one coat of primer, because if I do the black first, it will just peel off. No, I tried painting it with the airbrush in the past, but that doesn't really work. This paint just falls off literally. So I took a paintbrush, not my airbrush, and just brushed on the black paint, and actually it looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. I am, in fact, my biggest fan. I shouldn't have said that. Also, I gave my dashboard the same coat of black, and the steering wheel obviously. Next, the fine details. Take again the same toothpick and paint in the front. I looked at some pictures. I'm not sure what is that. Those are the blinkers? I have no idea. It is chrome on the pictures, but that's kind of a light. Oh well. Paint in the side markers, paint in the badge on the front, paint in the door handle, the mirror and the hinges. And on the back, that's not the back, that's the other door. And on the back I painted in the top of the rear lights, because I wanted them to be chrome. And I guess left and right from the spare tire, those are supposed to be straps, I think? I have no idea. If you know what those are, if you have, Morgan, please let me know in the comment section down below what these are supposed to be. Next, I take my red paint and paint in, for some reason, 4 rear lights. I know there's supposed to be blinkers in there somewhere, but I don't have orange paint, and I think orange will kind of ruin the look of this car, just too bright, even though the windshield is literally orange. There goes that argument. So, placing in the orange windshield. I wish I had a clear one, but oh well. Next, the grill goes into place. All the way. The grill is... There we go. He's kind of smart today. Not really. Next, when the grill, headlights, vents, and dashboard are in place, I take the interior, slide it in the rear spare tire slot and behind the dashboard. It takes me a while to figure that out. It's supposed to go behind the dashboard. Pretty self-explanatory. Oh well, it's past Nick. He's kind of the stupid one between us two. Next, when I finally have this thing, I chipped a little bit of paint off the spare tire, but I'm going to touch it up after this segment is over. Next, place in the front and rear axle. Then take the base plate and just slide in the back and click in the front. Then off camera I drilled out the front post and just put in a self-tapping hex screw so it can be easily taken apart again in the future. Well, after that is done, I take my new roof. I have actually found this one in my parts bin, which is amazing. I have, I think, 6 or 7 Morgans, and this was the only roof I had. So, and it's black, that's why I choose a black interior, obviously. So it all matches together. After that, I took my little paintbrush, painted in the back of the car, so the spare tire where I nicked some paint off, touched up every other paint surfaces, and we are done with the restoration. So again, this is a look at the car before the restoration, when it still didn't have a roof, 2 colors of interior, and still an orange windshield. I cannot change that, I don't know why I keep bringing that up. And this is the car after the restoration, right here. So it's blue, black interior, black spare tire cover, black roof, the windshield is still orange. Stop saying that, Nick. But I really enjoyed this, well, kind of comeback restoration. Please leave a like, subscribe, and make sure you watch the video that will be released in 2 days, because that's going to be my 2,500 subscriber giveaway. Yes, I'm finally jumping on the train, and I'm going to give away one of the cars I actually restored. I hope it turns out, because I'm still doing the restoration right now. It will be a 7-day thingy-majig. The rules will be explained in the video itself. So I hope and I want to thank every one of you for subscribing, viewing and sticking with me in my period of absence. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye.